Morning, Mark here, Glen Farms. This morning, I'm gonna take you on an adventure, just for a moment or two out of your coffee workaday world. My workaday world starts where Sasquatches die. They're afraid to come into the Kiona tunnels. It's spelunking only with raspberries. Let's take a peek. Here we go. Oh, wow. Let's see. Holy smokes. How do we get in here? This is one of our tunnels. We're just entering the beginning. That's the entryway. But here we go deep into the dark caverns where red sickles hang down. Beautiful, isn't it? Nature's spectacular abundance. High overhead, about 6 more feet from here, is the top of the canopy. I've been seeing a few bats in here lately. Have a good one. Bye.